Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy English. And today let's learn about analytical paragraph. Analytical paragraph, it's a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of a given data, chart, graph, tables or clues, etc. like this. When you are writing an analytical paragraph, remember to describe the facts and cover the information provided. Let us look into the tips in writing analytical paragraph. So when you are writing an analytical paragraph, remember you should describe the given information which is provided in the chart or table or data, graph, whatever form it is. Describe it clearly. And you should include the complete information without leaving anything. And you should state the facts that are provided exactly. And use a simple language which is accurate and very clear. You should mention figures and quantities appropriately given. And keep it in your mind, you should use the same tense throughout the paragraph. And no personal observation should be provided other than the given information. Let us look how to write an analytical paragraph. It is divided into three parts as introduction and body of the paragraph and conclusion. Let us see those in detail. First part is introduction. In introduction, you have to brief what the data is about. Don't provide too much of information in detail. It is best and advisable to write in 2 lines. You may start with phrases like the chart given describes, the data provides information about, the graph illustrates, or the table suggests. In body of the paragraph, it should contain details of the given data exactly. Organize the information. Mention the quantities and connect the sentences of the paragraph sequentially. There should be coherence between each lines. And you can write body of paragraphs into 2 or more paragraphs as per your convenience, but see to that you are writing the content exactly. Next is conclusion. The last paragraph is conclusion and it should summarize the idea mentioned in the given information. It should act as a closing statement. It is advisable to have the closing paragraph with 3 to 4 lines. Let me give you 4 mantras to remember when you write analytical paragraph. Choose important information and organize it and state it correctly and sequentially, and at last summarize it. If you remember these 4 mantras, you can write analytical paragraph very well. Do you want an example to explain analytical paragraph? Yes. Come, let's look at that. This is the example question. The graph given shows the estimated production of oranges in India in 2009. Write an analytical paragraph describing the graph. So you will get a graph like this and you have to explain it in detail as an analytical paragraph. Come, let's see how to write it. Look at this example. It was divided into 3 paragraphs. First one introduction and 1 paragraph explaining the body of the paragraph, and at last conclusion. Let us see what it's. The bar graph depicts the estimated production of oranges in India in 2009. This is the introductory paragraph. Next, in January 2009, the production was around 1500 kgs. It steadily increased to the next month and peaked to 4000 kgs in the 3rd month of the year. However, it reduced over the next 3 months and hit 1000 kgs in the month of July. Unexpectedly, the production doubled in August before coming down to the same level as in July for the month of September. For the next 2 months of the year, the production leveled off to 1000 kgs and then slightly increased in the month of December. The body part was clearly explained by looking at the data given. So now look at the last paragraph, which is conclusion. Overall, the estimated production fluctuated in 2009. The production was the highest in the month of March and lowest in the months of July and September. The production at the end of the year was almost the same as it was in the beginning of the year. So by this we conclude the analytical paragraph. Hope so you were clear with analytical paragraph. If you think that you are learning better through this video, do like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.